Thank you for starting your journey on single property websites. So we're really happy to have you here. I'm Jason, and I just want to give you a little walkthrough on how to get your account set up and how simple it is to get your single property website up and running. So this is really important, so please take a moment and just watch the next few slides here. So on the orange button below, you're going to be redirected to getting your own single property account set up here. So if you already have an account, you can actually create a new page inside your account. But if this is your first time here, you're going to need to come over and you're going to need to get a username, an email address, and supply a password. And then you can come down here and you're going to say, I agree. And then you're going to be redirected to the next page. And from there, you're going to actually be able to, from here, create your first single property website. So from here, you're going to be able to put your site name. Now, your site name, you're going to see, it needs to be all lowercase in one word. Typically, people use the property address right here. Under the site title, you're going to actually add the spaces and the caps. So it's going to display exactly here in the header from what you put right here. You're going to say allow in search engines, and you're going to pick one of our starter themes, either the header dark or the header light, and you're going to click sign up. And it's that simple. On the next page, you're going to be redirected and it's going to say congratulations. It's going to have your username, and it's going to actually show you your password right from here. And then you have two options. You're all set, ready to go. You can now view your website and go directly to the admin area. At the same time, you're going to be sent an email from us, and it's going to say from Single Property Website Network, and it's going to show you your username, your password. It's going to give you the address to your site. It's also going to give you the direct access to log into your site so you can make edits and keep all control from there. So let's go, if we take a look here, and while this is open, we're going to say, let's click on the admin area. In the admin area, you're going to actually see this big, welcome to single property websites, let's get started. So it's got a get started. It's got some tutorial videos in there. Now on every page as well, you have a get started up in the top if you're logged in. So if you're live on the site, you're going to see the get started up here. Now to edit your first website, it's very simple. It's all on a front end visual editor. So all you need to do is click on the page builder, and you're going to then, if it's your first time there, it's going to say welcome, looks like it's your first time. You can say yes please, and it's going to give you a little tour of the tools. If you've already been there, you can just say no thanks. So from which it's going to show you can choose a template, and you can go in and edit your content. So when you're editing content, it just puts a blue bounding box, and all you need to do is click on this wrench right here, and it's going to actually open up so you can edit those fields. It's incredibly simple, and then it says get started. So we've really spent a lot of time trying to make this a little different than probably other solutions out there, but incredibly simple to use. So when you're in the page builder here, and you click on an element with that wrench, it's going to open up a little editor box. So every box is going to be a little different, but if we're here, we want to change the details, so we can cut and copy our details in there and add the price. We click on the little wrench, and from which all we have to do is change the elements right from here. Sometimes you need to look across the tabs, but it's incredibly simple, and everything's already done for you and already laid out, and all you need to do is cut and copy your content directly into one of these phenomenal single property website templates, and within just a few minutes you can have a beautiful single property website up and running. So there's that wrench right there. It's that simple. Just when you hover over an area, you see the area, click on the wrench. If you click up on the top here, you're going to actually see modules, rows, and templates. So if you go to the templates and you go to homepage layouts, from here you can take a look at all the different types of layouts we have. So currently we have, I think, 6 layouts, and you can click on this, and from that page it's going to be redirected, and it's going to say, do you want to replace the layout or append? If you say append, it just adds it to your layout. So what you probably want to do is click on replace, and then you're going to have it's going to change all the content on there. So it's that simple. And then what people want to see most are large photos. So if you come over here into the gallery and you click on the gallery, you click on the wrench, and you take the source and change it from SmugMug excuse me, and you change that to media library, and then you're going to see this appear. Now you can just drag the images directly from your computer directly on to here, and the system will automatically add them to the gallery. To change any other element, all you do is you find that blue box, you click on the wrench, and you can change up your stuff. You can change up the address of the property. All of that stuff, incredibly simple. And once you get a hang of it, it's going to take you a couple minutes, but you'll be able to jump right in and build your single property website in no time. And remember, at any time, if you want to find the other tutorials we have for SPW, you can click on the Get Started, which will bring you directly to the Get Started aspects. And when we're all done, you can go over here and click on that plus. And actually, you can click the Done tab. And from the Done tab, what we'll see here is you're going to see Publish, Save Draft, and Discard. So this is important. If you've built something that you love, go ahead and click Publish, and it will actually save that, and it'll create it live directly to the server. If you've created something you don't like and you want to revert to it not saving it, go ahead and click Discard, and it will not save those changes. So click the orange button below, and you'll see this page here. Get your own single property network account in seconds, and you are good to go. I'm Jason, and thanks for watching. Have fun with your single property website.